Hello, I just bought a Stanley 113 circular plane, and I just wanted to show you how I'm restoring it. Well, the first thing that I already took it apart. In order to take it apart, you can see that there's a dovetail cut here on the body of the plane, and on the bottom it's also dovetailed. So the first thing I done, you can see here, there were two pins. See this pin? And I just went and bought this, and I drilled a hole actually into a wood and put it on it and knocked the two pins out and took it apart. The reason I done that because there was a lot of rust that I could not reach in this area inside, and I cleaned it all up. Well, the surface I just planed on regular marble with a sandpaper, and the places that I could not reach I used a Dremel and cleaned it up in the tight places like this, and all around the areas that I could not reach when it was together. After I cleaned it all up, I went also, and the most of the paint was off on the body, so it was like 60% of the paint was off. So what I done is I took all the paint off and painted it again, cleaned again the areas with cleaned the areas that were rusty and I could not reach like this. After I finished polishing it and taking everything, I put some oil on the moving parts, and I'm going to now put it together. This is one place, another place. Putting here oil because I want to push back the body of the oil. Here a lot of oil because I will need to push it back in. Let's see the direction. This is the direction of it. This is going to need to go back in. Piece of wood. Very slight knocks should go in. Back in. Now, need to put these back together. Lift this up. Pin. Put a lot of oil on them before we push them in. easy in because I shaped it the size of the head. Now that it's ready to go in. Now I want to knock this a bit. The same to the other side. Put oil again on it.